Welcome back to 19th HTML and cascading style sheet lesson. As usual, before go ahead on today's topic, first of all I shared to you what we learned before. As you see on your screen, this is what we learned before. And the last lesson we learned how we can use bold tag, italic tag, and underline tag, and we used this example you see here, right? And this landed by this statement as usual here. You see, yeah, this is statement that display this one here as an output, right? Yeah, now in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use subscript tag, sub tag, right? For example, when we want to write like hydrogen oxide, you see, as you see here, this is different from this one when you write like this, but use this subscript feature here and then use this and then also oxide, right? Yeah, now you see this is different from this, so here we use what you call subscript. This is the first example. And also remember, when you are dealing with binary numbers, we can say like 100 in base 10 for example, but in base 10 is just automatically must be in base 10, but when is like in base 2 we use also subscript here, then put here 2. Then after that, you see, now we use subscript here. Now to do this in HTML we use sub tag, right? For example, as you see here, I can come and write like this. Let me write heading 1 with, and we are going to deal with sub tag like this. Then also heading 1, this is our statement. Now for example, let me write like what's already written in Microsoft Word. Yeah, now we need to use heading. Let us use heading 1, then, and of course we have to close it, right? And here we have to put here H as hydrogen, and then we have to put 2 as a base by using subscript here, and then close it, right? And then our base is 2 is looks like base, that's why must be inside the subscript tag, right? And then oxide here, you see, like this. Let me save it and refresh our page to show you how it will be displayed. But here we can now put here borderline so as to display them in a form of paragraph, right? Yeah, let me refresh it here and show you an output, right? You see, this is our output, hydrogen oxide. Yeah, now also like this you can also do what's already done in Microsoft Word, where we will write 100 like this in base 2, right? Now to write base 2 we need also subscript. You see, subscript here, subscript, then like this also we have to close our heading. Now here is base 2. Once I save it and refresh our page, you see what you will get is this, right? So you see also is displayed in the form of subscript, right? 100 in base 2. Yeah, this is how you can use subscript or sub tag in your HTML page. So this is the end of our today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next one.